Chapter 1: Activate points. Step 1. Installers need to log into their Elekeeper account. Step 2. Go to the My section and find a points mall. Step 3. You'll need to select the country where your company is located, then tap the Activate Points button. Step 4. And that's it. Your points account is now active. Chapter 2: Earn points. Step 1. Complete the device installation and initialization to ensure stable data reporting to the Elekeeper platform, and then create the plant. Step 2. Your points will be credited automatically. Just check your points in the points mall. Chapter 3: Redeem rewards. Step 1. Browse the available rewards in the points mall. Found something you like? Tap Redeem. Step 2. Provide your shipping address and contact details so we know where to send your reward. Step 3. Click Submit Order. And you're done. Our SAJ team will contact you to arrange shipment. Step 4. Click View Order List to check your gift status.